Hello everyone. How are you today? As for me, right now, I am very excited to share with you some secrets that only professional plumbers know. At the beginning of the video, we see a plug stuck in a plastic tube. So how can we remove it without having to cut off the plug? Just a few simple steps of threading a small wire, and we can easily pull the electrical cord out. Next is a quite interesting trick, and once you learn it, I'm sure you'll never get drunk from drinking beer. Our method will involve drilling a small hole at the bottom of the glass. Since it's a glass, if we drill it while it's in the open air, the glass will shatter. Our solution is to place the glass into a bowl of water with a face towel placed underneath it. The water will submerge the glass. Now we can comfortably use a sharp object to drill a hole at the bottom of the glass without worrying about it shattering. You see, this is the method that many professionals have used to complete their work. Can you explain this phenomenon? Comment below and let me know. The third tip is how to easily remove a screw from the wall. The key to this issue is to use another screw and drill it into the position of the stuck screw. Now the problem has been solved, hasn't it? Tip number 4. How would you handle it if your flexible metal hose in the house gets damaged? Would you call a repairman or buy a new one to replace it? The best solution is to let me show you how to repair it yourself, so you won't need to spend any money at all. First, I will use fire to remove the damaged part. The components are currently very hot, so please use pliers to avoid getting bumped. Afterward, use a hammer to open up this valve and connect it with the remaining part of the hose. This task will require a bit of finesse, but I'm confident that you can do it too. Now we'll have to clean the components thoroughly before reassembling them in the original order. The final step is to secure the joint tightly to ensure that our hose won't leak water. Let's check the result together. Perfect. It looks like it was never damaged, right? Tip number 5. Strong winds can cause doors to slam, leading to damage or breakage of glass doors. If we're unlucky, it could even pose a significant danger, especially to young children. The solution that the plumber recommended to me is to design a small door stopper using PVC pipes. It's simple. We just use a small piece of PVC pipe and heat it to mold it into the shape of a door handle. You need to be careful when using heat as the PVC pipe can become very hot. Therefore, we should use another object to shape it. In this case, I'm using a small piece of wood and pliers to make the shaping process easier. Can you guess what we'll do next? Next, we need to drill 2 small holes at both ends of it. Now attach it to the door. At a corresponding position on the wall, we attach a C-shaped stopper. It's not difficult for you to imagine how it works, right? Tip number 6. When you want to become a Thor-like figure, but your weak camera at home doesn't allow it, come to me to learn how to refurbish it. First of all, I have to remove the damaged part of the wooden handle. Afterward, I'll grind off the long-term rust and oxidation from the hammerhead surface. Alright, now, we'll create a beautiful handle for the hammer, and we'll be done. How about a hammer handle made from PPRC pipes? I think this idea is quite fantastic. Let's give it a try together. Connect the pieces of PPRC pipes together like this. But if I want it to be as sturdy as Thor's hammer, we'll need to add a steel rod like this and place it inside the pipe's core. The purpose is to make the hammer handle more robust and create a secure grip on the hammerhead. Do you see it? Our hammer is about to undergo a successful transformation. Now cut off the excess steel rod and attach a hook at the end of the handle for convenient hanging and storage. That's fantastic! While a hammer may not look exactly like Thor's mythical hammer, it's beautiful and sturdy. Don't rush to leave and fix your hammer now. I still have many secrets to share with you. Have you ever thought about using roofing nails to fix plumbing pipes? It may sound unlikely, but it actually works. It's truly amazing, isn't it? But to ensure more security, you can't overlook this step. It may seem a bit complicated, but in essence, it's quite simple. All we need to do is add a PVC piece to it. Do you find this interesting and helpful? Finally, I want to share with you an even more remarkable hammering solution: how to connect 4 different types of pipes together. Most people would think that's impossible, right? But for a skilled plumber, anything is possible. Creating a 4-way connection using PPRC pipes is the key to solving this issue. As you can see, creating this key is incredibly simple, right? Now let's get to work and connect these 4 pipes together. If you're also a DIY enthusiast like me, I think you should consider buying a heat welding machine. It's really convenient for helping us connect plastic pipes like this. The connections are beautifully linked, and most importantly, they are incredibly sturdy. With this method, we don't need to use super glue and save a lot of time. Of course, each different type of pipe may require a few additional steps to connect them together. However, I will dedicate a separate video to guide you on this topic in a specific and detailed manner. We have successfully connected 4 different types of pipes together. And now, I sincerely thank you all for your attention. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to watch the latest exciting videos. See you in the next time.